Good afternoon. I hope your Thursday is going well. And out there today, we had a little more cloud cover. It's not quite as hot as yesterday, but we're feeling it with that humidity, which is very high across the area. Taking a look, you can see the hazy skies in Corpus Christi, where it's 87 degrees right now, but feeling like 95. That dew point's at 74. A lot of humidity in the air, not too much wind, just a light breeze blowing 14 mile an hour winds. We do have that severe thunderstorm watch. What a watch means is that there is the potential, the atmosphere is ripe for the potential for severe storms this evening. And you can see that watch includes mainly brush country up to just north of Victoria. Now, as we look at our area, it's Bee and Live Oak counties that are in the watch right now, but it's possible that watch will be extended further southeast this evening because, as you can see here, this is the severe storm potential from the Storm Prediction Center. Notice there's an area of yellow that makes it all the way to Corpus Christi. There's still that chance there could be some severe storms. They'll be more numerous, though, as you go to the west, and this is through this evening for damaging wind and large hail. So something we got to keep an eye on this evening. There's nothing in our area right now, but if we look to the west, you can see those storms as they've been developing in Webb County and LaSalle counties. And they have been severe. In fact, there's been some heavy rain with those as well, which is going to be very typical with these storms and such moist air, as well as there's been some large hail. So something we'll see as we go through the early evening here. Meanwhile, right now it's dry and we have mostly cloudy skies. It's 80 degrees at Port Aransas to 89 at Robstown and a sticky 92 degrees in Kingsville right now as we're seeing those winds coming in from the southeast. Those will shift to the northeast tonight behind a cold front which is sitting to our north. It's moving through San Antonio right now, and out ahead of it there have been some big storms developing up in hill country. Meanwhile, we're watching that front as it moves in this evening, and then an area of low pressure aloft. A large low pressure spinning in the southwest is going to continue to move to the northeast, and that will continue to give us rain chances, much lower though, for Friday and Saturday. But for this evening, we're going to focus on that cold front that'll send a line of storms along with an upper wave moving in from the southwest into the area. You can see the timing here on this, 5:30 this evening, already be moving into far brush country right along Highway 35 or Interstate 35, and then gradually pulling to the northeast, and some of those developing farther south as well will be possible as we get into midnight tonight. We'll still have some showers and thunderstorms around, but those will decrease as we get past midnight. Tomorrow, rain chances are much lower, some spot showers or a brief thunderstorm possible, but Saturday, as we get into much more warm air, returns as the warmer air pushes through the area. We have another Pacific cold front that'll spark a few showers and thunderstorms possibly for Saturday. So the rain chances continue. It's a bit unsettled through Saturday before we dry out. There's a look at potential future rain, and again, don't focus on the numbers as much because it depends on where the storms land and who's going to get the heavier rain, but it does look like an inch to an inch and a half, maybe even 2 inches of rain will be possible in the strongest storms, but other areas that are missed by those could only see totals of about 1/10 to 1/2 of an inch of rain. So it is going to be variable. Now, as far as temperatures, we are cooling down. Today was very warm and humid. The humidity drops, and so do the temperatures tomorrow in the 70s for your Friday. But heading into Saturday, that warm air returns, and we heat right back into those 80s for the weekend, and our better chance of rain coming Saturday. So here is your 7-day forecast. You can see the temperatures go back up this weekend after a more pleasant day tomorrow. And then once we get past Sunday, another stronger cold front comes in. And next week, we are looking at cool nights to start the week and very mild days in the 70s. So something to enjoy here as we get to the first half of next week.
Sharon,